Hello and welcome to this Atlas training video. In this video I'm going to take you on a brief tour of the home perspective. The home perspective is your landing page when you first launch Atlas. The home perspective can be divided into several functional sections, and we'll go through each of those sections, starting up here in the top left corner with the name of the project. The hamburger button to the left of the project name is the favorite project selection button. This button allows you to quickly select and switch to a different favorite project. It is available throughout each of the perspectives in Atlas, which we'll talk about next. This black toolbar across the top is called the Perspectives toolbar. In Atlas, there are 5 different perspectives you can work in, and each provide various project functionality. Briefly, the Home Perspective button will always bring you back to this current view, where you can manage projects, view messages, work with administrator tools, and other various functions. The Gather Perspective button takes you to the Gather Perspective, where you can gather project requirements into a single location. The Define Perspective button takes you to the Define Perspective, where you can define project requirements. The Plan Perspective button takes you to the Plan Perspective, where you can gather requirements together into project plans. And the Track Perspective button takes you to the Track Perspective, where you can monitor project progress. This section here is the Favorite Projects pane. This is a listing of all of the projects that you favorited. It provides quick access to the projects you work on most. The section just below is called the Available Projects pane. This is a listing of all the projects on your Atlas server. In this section you can create new projects, favorite existing projects, search for projects, and delete or edit projects. The next section is the Project Dashboard. Here you have access to administrator tools, the Reset Project Cache button, which allows you to clear out and reset project data, and the Content Summary, which gives you an overview of the various items in your project. Just below the dashboard is the Activities section. This is a listing of all messages that Atlas sends to you whenever the project changes in some way. You can filter the messages by category using these buttons. And you can choose what messages you would like to see based on the date they were created using the Calendar function. Depending on the message, you will have options to view changes, or take a quick look at the item, or to go directly to that item in the perspective. The last section of the Home Perspective is the Administration section. Here you can edit your profile details, access online help, select another application such as Rhythm, and create reports. And that's a brief tour of the Home Perspective. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.